Hey there guys, so today I'm installing a dometic sink. First time for me doing this, I haven't done it before, so wish me luck. So this sink is long overdue. My wife's been hassling me to get this installed, fair enough. So gonna pop it on that bench there. Still haven't got my cupboard doors in here yet, but just trying to work out where that will sit exactly, just in there, and then how the plumbing is going to run through underneath. So there's the water pump. So at the moment that water pump is just servicing the outdoor kitchen, and I've got a tap at the front as well. So we'll tap it into that. But anyway, let's try and work out where I'm going to cut a hole for this sink and get it fitted in. So that way or that way? Okay. That way actually. I think I'm good to go. Switch the blade out for a thinner blade, so help me get around these corners a bit easier hopefully. So big moment of truth now. I'll see if this fits in the little hole we cut. Might need a little bit. There you go, look at that. Like a glove. See? So you can see these are the little brackets that hold it in. I had to drill, because the timber was so thick there, I had to drill up into there a bit just so I could get it to fit. Anyway, it's all mounted up nice and tight in there, fits good. Had the little rubber seal goes around the outside of that. Fitted in there and pulled down when I pulled those brackets down, screwed those in. So, ready for a tap next. So that's the sink done in the Caravan. Next project will be to put the tap in, I think. So that'll be next, and then plumb it in. So keep an eye out for that one. That might be the next video that we do. But in the meantime, if you like the video, make sure you do hit the like button. Subscribe, that would be awesome. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time.